Food culture in France. Introduction. The heartbeat of French life. In France, food is far more than a necessity. It is a daily ritual, a form of identity, and an art. From the bustling markets of Provence to the grand patisseries of Paris, the act of eating is woven into the rhythm of French life. Meals are not rushed affairs. They are celebrations of taste, tradition, and togetherness. 1. The historical roots of French cuisine. 1.1 Ancient influences, Roman to Renaissance. French culinary practices were deeply influenced by the Romans, who brought with them a taste for wine, cheese, and stews. In the Middle Ages, banquets became showcases of extravagance, with game meats, elaborate sauces, and ornate table settings. The Renaissance, particularly with the influence of Catherine de' Medici, introduced refined techniques and ingredients from Italy. This era laid the foundation for haute cuisine. To the birth of haute cuisine, 17th-18th century. The 17th century saw the emergence of haute cuisine, with chefs like François-Pierre Lavarenne writing seminal cookbooks that focused on refined preparation and sauces rather than heavy spices. The aristocracy led the evolution of multi-course meals, and French chefs became household names. Revolution and reinvention. After the French Revolution, royal chefs opened restaurants accessible to the middle class, spreading fine cuisine beyond the aristocracy. This democratization was key to shaping modern French food culture. 2. Regional diversity, a nation of culinary landscapes. France's culinary map is as diverse as its geography, with each region bringing unique ingredients, flavors, and techniques. 2.1. Normandy and Brittany. Normandy, known for dairy products like camembert, butter, and creme fraiche. Seafood, particularly mussels and oysters, is also abundant. Brittany, famous for crepes, galettes, salted caramel, and apple cider. 2.2 Alsace and Lorraine. These regions blend French and German influences. Alsace is known for Choucroute Garni and Riesling wines, while Lorraine is home to the famous Quiche Lorraine. 2.3 Provence and the Mediterranean. Provence's cuisine emphasizes olive oil, tomatoes, garlic, and herbs. Dishes like ratatouille, bouillabaisse, and aioli showcase the sunny southern influence. 2.4 Burgundy and Rhône Alps. Burgundy offers wines, Boeuf Bourguignon and Coq au vin, while Rhône Alps specializes in cheeses like reblochon and alpine dishes like tartiflette. 2.5 Southwest and Basque Country. This area is known for foie gras, cassoulet, and duck confit. Paris is a melting pot of regional dishes elevated by Michelin star chefs and classic bistros. It's also the birthplace of iconic pastries. 3. The structure of French meals. 3.1 The classic French meal. A traditional French meal often includes apéritif, a pre-meal drink, wine, pastis or kher, with light snacks. Entree, starter dish such as pâté, salad or soup. Plat principal, main course, often meat or fish with vegetables. Fromage, a cheese course with a variety of regional cheeses. Dessert, tarts, pastries or fruits. Digestive, a small serving of liquor or brandy to aid digestion. 3.2 The role of bread and cheese. Bread is essential, often eaten with every meal. Baguettes are daily staples. France produces over 1,200 varieties of cheese consumed routinely with meals. 3.3 Wine, the daily companion. French meals are accompanied by wine, carefully paired by region and dish. Terroir, the unique characteristics imparted by geography, is a defining concept. 4. The ritual of eating. 4.1 Mealtime as sacred. The French prioritize eating together, and lunch breaks are typically long, especially in rural areas. Dinner is a key family bonding time. Point 2 Sunday lunch. Sunday lunch is a revered tradition, often involving multiple generations, home-cooked dishes, and hours spent at the table. 3 Dining etiquette. No elbows on the table. Bread is placed on the tablecloth, not plates. Always say bon appetit before eating. Wait for the host to start the meal. 5. Iconic French dishes and ingredients. 5.1 Starters and appetizers. Escargots de Bourgogne, snails in garlic butter, salade niçoise. Soup à l'oignon, French onion soup. 5.2 Main courses. Boeuf bourguignon, coq au vin, duck confit, bouillabaisse, cassoulet 5.3, pastries and desserts croissant, pain au chocolat, éclair, millefeuille, tarte tatin, crème brûlée, macaron 5.4, bread and cheese, breads, baguette, pain de campagne, brioche, cheeses, brie, roquefort, camembert, comté. 6. French markets and food shopping 6.1, weekly markets are central to community life. Fresh produce, meat, seafood, and artisanal products are sold directly by producers. 2. Boulangerie, fromageries, charcuteries, specialized shops reflect the pride in craftsmanship. Daily visits to pick up fresh items are common. 6.3. Seasonal eating. The French strongly value seasonal produce. Menus shift with the seasons to reflect local harvests. 7. The French culinary education system. 7.1. Culinary schools. Institutions like Le Cordon Bleu train chefs from around the world in classic French techniques. 8.2. Chef culture. Being a chef is highly respected. Michelin star rankings are prestigious and chefs often gain celebrity status. 8. Modern trends and innovations. 8.1. Nouvelle cuisine. Emerging in the 1960s, Nouvelle cuisine emphasized freshness, light sauces, and artful plating. Point 2. Fusion and global influence. Modern French chefs experiment with Asian, African, and Latin flavors while retaining French foundations, AB3 organic and farm to table. There is a rising emphasis on bio-organic products, sustainable farming, and ethical sourcing. 9. French food and identity. 9.1. UNESCO recognition. In 2010, the French gastronomic meal was added to UNESCO's list of intangible cultural heritage, affirming its global significance. 2. Food in French language and art. Phrases, idioms, poetry, and paintings often reference food. It permeates language, symbolism, and emotion. 10. Food festivals and traditions. La Chandeleur, Crêpe Day, Beaujolais Nouveau Day, November wine release. Fête de la Gastronomy, nationwide food celebration. Truffle festivals in Périgord, cheese fairs in the Alps. 11. French food abroad. 11.1. Global reach. French restaurants and patisseries are found worldwide. Many culinary schools outside France follow French traditions. Key to French techniques in global cuisine. French sauces, knife skills, and plating have influenced almost every other cuisine. 12. Challenges and the future of French food culture. 12.1. Fast food and globalization. Younger generations are embracing fast food. Yet, France is adapting with gourmet burger bistros and artisanal cafes. 12.2. Climate and sustainability. Climate change threatens wine and agriculture. France leads in sustainable vineyard practices and ethical sourcing. Point 3. Immigration and multicultural influence. North African, Vietnamese, and Caribbean cuisines are shaping a more diverse food culture in France. Conclusion: a living, breathing culture, French food culture is not static. It is a vibrant, evolving tapestry of tradition and innovation. Whether you're savoring a flaky croissant in a corner cafe or enjoying a multi-course meal with family, the French way of eating teaches us to slow down, appreciate, and connect. It is a culture where food is not just sustenance, but a language of love, artistry, and identity.